Well, if you're like me, you don't have a cell phone or bring it to the shop. And when you're working out at the shop, it's hard to hear the phone when you're home alone. So I added a landline to my shop, and I did put a split T on one of the lines inside the house, ran it through the basement, drilled a hole in the wall between the connecting wall between the garage and the basement, which on my house are just separated by a wall. Ran the line out right here. I built this phone center. Then I found this old landline telephone at a yard sale or something, but it works fine for this. And I built this little phone center, and I got it set up so I can take notes or numbers, anybody that calls, and then they bother me as little as possible, and then I can go right back to work. Put that old visitor sign on here. And yeah, now I got phone service in my shop without having to have a cell phone out here. And solved that problem. I thought it was kind of a neat idea, and I really like it. It really saves me a big pain in the butt having to go in the house to answer the phone when I can hear it ringing, if I hear it ringing. Thanks for watching.